Interested in a strategy that could boost your win rate to over 60%? Want to learn how to maximize your returns using just 2 simple indicators? Then you've clicked on the right video. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into the TradingView.com. At the moment, we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, but you're free to choose any chart for trading. Head over to the indicator section and add the CBG swing high-low MA indicator to your chart. The CBG indicator is a tool that helps traders identify potential trends in the market. It consists of 3 main components: an upper band, a lower band, and a midline. If the price of the asset is above these 3 lines, it suggests that the market trend is upward. Conversely, if the price is below these 3 lines, it suggests that the market trend is downward. In addition to identifying the overall market trend, this handy tool also pinpoints specific points known as swing highs and swing lows. These points represent significant peaks and valleys in the price movement. But here's where it gets interesting. We can leverage these swing points to make strategic trading decisions. When the price breaks out and confirms a breakout at these swing points, it could be an opportune moment to enter a trade, whether it's swing high or swing low. So, with the CBG indicator, not only do we get a sense of the market trend, but we also get a specific entry points for our trades. It's like having a roadmap for the market. Next, let's add the GMC trend ribbon indicator to the chart. Now, after adding the indicator, it's time to adjust its setting as needed. The GMC trend ribbon indicator consists of color bars representing bullish or bearish momentum, and these bars, green signifies a bullish momentum, and red indicates a bearish momentum. Therefore, for trading with this strategy, we have 3 rules for entering a trade. For instance, for a buy trade, the first thing you want to do is make sure the market is trending upward. So you know you want to go with the flow, not against it. Next, you're going to want to keep an eye out for a bullish breakout of a previous swing high. It's like a green light telling you that the upward momentum is continuing. Finally, you're going to check the GMC trend ribbon indicator. If it's showing green, that's your go signal. It's like all the traffic lights are green and you're good to go. Now, if all these conditions are met, you're ready to enter the trade. But remember, setting a stop loss is crucial. You can use the CBG indicator bands or the recent swing for this. And for the target, aim for the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now let's talk about the rules for short trade. First off, you want to confirm that the market is on a downward trend. It's like swimming downstream. It's easier when you're going with the current. Then you'll be on the lookout for a bearish breakout of a previous swing low. Think of it as a red light, signaling that the downward momentum is picking up a speed. Next up, you'll want to check the GMC trend ribbon indicator. If it's showing red, that's your cue to proceed. If all these 3 factors line up, you're in a good position to enter your short trade. But don't forget, set the stop loss. You can set this based on the CBG indicator bands or the recent swing. And when it comes to your target, aim for the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. But remember, I've been working on another strategy that could be a game changer for traders, turning the tables in their favor in no time. Curious? Check out this recommended video. This is a must watch.